Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am introducing my weight gain fitness journey during quarantine. So I'm going to go through my measurements and let you guys know what they are. I'm going to measure my bust. I'm not actually wearing a bra at the moment. It seems to be around 33 inches. Okay, so waist, I would say around 26 and a half, and now hips. Which I think is about 36 inches. If you guys can see. I'm going to measure the biggest part of my thigh right now. Yeah, so it looks like 19.7 inches. /8. 9.75. So it looks like 9.75 inches. So this is my little food stash, or snack stash, should I say. That is 1 tub of serious mass. It has 1,250 calories in each serving, and I have another one behind it. So I have 2, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to have half a serving of one, and then later on in the day have half a serving of the other one, so that I don't get bored of having the shake. So this is the inside of my freezer. This is some of the food that I prepped. I have prepped enough for a week, but I will be having my 1,250 calorie shake, which is about how much I've been eating in general anyway. The past few weeks I've been having around 1,500 calories at most. Most of the times it's been around 1,000 to 1,200 calories. So the fact that I'm going to get that from the shake alone means that significant gains are to be expected, basically. So basically, if I ate as I usually did and I just include the shake, I'd be basically doubling my calories straight away. So that is good. $126 calories per pack. Here I am getting ready to do some exercises in my room, examining the booty. As you can see, I'm very skinny, but my glutes stick out of my body, and that's because I do glute focused exercises as well as lunges and squats. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I will be posting more updates on my weight gain and fitness and updating you guys on what I am doing and the calories that I am eating. So yeah, stay tuned to see how this get thick quick journey goes. Bye. Make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe. Bye.